So we are here at the dance warehouse and we're gonna go in, fit some gears, and it's gonna be fun. That looks beautiful. Whoa. So cool.
This is the black.
Yeah,
Much better.
I like it better.
This
Yeah.
one. Medium din naman to. Will fit it, para sure. Nice. Baka sabihin, nag-iba yung color, nag-iba yung fit. That's a nice one.
It's nice.
Sa gloves din na rin ako.
Ano?
Right? Two sides?
Hindi. Tama lang. Sakto lang sa women.
Sakto yung women.
Medium.
Magkano yung ganito? Pagkano po purchase?
Si Sir, sa sales, so marketing lang ako. So, yeah.
Yan.
What
Yeah.
size is that?
Medium. Yeah.
So,
What's up, guys? So we are done.
The next day.
So this was the next day after we went to the dance warehouse, and right here I am fitting gears, and I was stupid enough not to turn on the microphone, so I've been speaking to nothing. So right there we have the Troy Designs moto socks. It's very comfortable and it feels nice. So we have the POD K4 knee brace, and it's one of the #1 knee brace out there, and it would really protect your knees. And right there I am opening up a new pair of POD K4 knee brace, and it is very beautiful and nice. So we have the all-new Bell Moto 10 spherical helmet, and it's the limited edition one where they only sold 1,000 of these helmets worldwide, and lucky for me I was able to get the 647th helmet out of 1,000. And with the new Bell Moto 10, it has the spherical technology patented and developed by MIPS, manufactured in segmented 3K fiber, adjustable floating visor with air inlets for ventilation, and magnetic cheek pads for quick removal. and it is claimed to be 1,450 grams, which is pretty lightweight for a helmet. And the Bell Moto 10 spherical helmet is available in Dan's Philippines, and be sure to check them out. And of course, we have our jersey and pants from Kaji-san Ozu Racing Team, and it's the team kits for the 2023 season with the white gear to match my helmet and my gear. Blinking?
Yes.
That means
What's up, guys? Today, Shana will follow me.